How do chiropractic adjustments help disc herniation? By keeping your spine lined up, it helps take the pressure off of the disc and allows the disc to function correctly, and allows the vertebrae above and below the disc to function and move correctly as well. By doing that, the pressure is decreased, therefore the bulge and the herniation will reduce, taking it away from the nerve and decreasing your pain. And that's typically how the chiropractic adjustment will help you with disc herniations and bulges. My name is Dr. Neil Langschied, and I'm a chiropractor in Jeffersontown, Kentucky.